Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a story that has kept the entire nation on the edge of its seat, the National Police recruitment. Just when we thought it was off, a dramatic turn of events in the High Court has put it right back on track. It's been a week of legal whiplash, to say the least. On Friday afternoon, Justice Bahati Mwamuye of the High Court made a pivotal decision, temporarily lifting the conservatory orders that had slammed the brakes on the recruitment process earlier in the week. These orders, issued on November 10, 2025, had thrown the entire exercise into uncertainty. But with this new ruling, the recruitment scheduled for this coming Monday is now, it seems, good to go. This development brings a sigh of relief for the agencies tasked with organizing this massive nationwide intake. They were caught in a legal crossfire over a fundamental question: who actually has the power to recruit police officers in Kenya? So, how did we get here? Let's rewind a bit. The whole saga was kicked off by a petition from activist Eliud Matindi. On Monday, the court had initially halted the recruitment following Matindi's challenge. He argued that the Inspector General of Police, or IG, was overstepping his authority by conducting the recruitment. According to Matindi's petition, the Constitution is very clear. Article 246(3)A gives the Commission the sole mandate to handle recruitment. It's their job, not the Inspector General's. To understand the full picture, we need to go back even further. On September 5, 2025, the announced its own plan to recruit 1,000 police constables. It's kind straightforward. However, that recruitment was suspended on October 2nd due to a separate court case. A petition filed by Harun Moore against the Inspector General and others. With the NPSC's plan on hold, the Inspector General then stepped in. On November 4, 2025, the IG's office issued a fresh advertisement for a new recruitment drive, set to happen on November 17th across 422 centers nationwide. But here's where it gets even more complicated. Just a few days before that, on October 30th, the High Court had actually declared the NPSC's original advertisement unconstitutional. The court ruled that the recruitment mandate lies with the National Police Service, the NPS, not the Commission. This ruling seemed to give the IG the green light. This is precisely what Eliud Matindi's petition challenged. He argued that even if the mandate is with the MPs, the Inspector General cannot act alone. Matindi's case rested on Section 10(2) of the National Police Service Commission Act. This law states that the IG has no legal authority to undertake recruitment without a specific, express delegation of that power from the NPSC. In essence, the Commission has to give the IG permission to recruit on its behalf. Without that delegation, Matindi argued, the IG's recruitment drive is illegal. This legal tug-of-war between the Inspector General's office and the National Police Service Commission has been at the heart of this whole issue. It's a battle over power, control, and the correct interpretation of the Constitution and various acts of Parliament. For years, these two critical bodies have been at loggerheads over their respective roles. And this recruitment exercise has become the latest battleground. So, where does Friday's ruling leave us? Justice Mwamuye's suspendence temporaire. It doesn't resolve the underlying constitutional question. It simply allows the recruitment to proceed as planned on Monday, restoring the situation to what it was before Matindi's petition brought everything to a halt. The court has ordered the first interested party in the case to serve its application and the new orders to everyone involved. They must also file an affidavit of service. The case isn't over. It's just been paused to allow the recruitment to happen. The next key date is November 17th, 2025, when a case management session is scheduled. This is when the court will likely map out the next steps in hearing the full petition. This means that while thousands of aspiring police recruits can now prepare for Monday, the legal cloud over the process hasn't completely disappeared. The fundamental question of who holds the ultimate authority for recruitment, the IG or the NPSC, is still waiting for a final, definitive answer from the judiciary. This ongoing dispute highlights a significant challenge within our national security architecture. Clarity on roles and responsibilities is crucial for the smooth functioning of an institution as vital as the National Police Service. When the top brass are locked in legal battles, it can create confusion and uncertainty that trickles all the way down. For the thousands of young Kenyan men and women who have been preparing for this recruitment, it's been a roller coaster of emotions. 1 minute their dreams are on hold, the next they're back on. The uncertainty has been a major source of anxiety for applicants who have invested time, money, and hope into this process. The government's goal is to bolster the police service with 10,000 new officers, a critical step in enhancing security and maintaining law and order across the country. The delays and legal fights risk undermining this important objective. As we move forward, all eyes will be on the judiciary. The courts are now tasked with untangling this complex legal knot and providing a clear interpretation of the law. Their final decision will have far-reaching implications, not just for this specific recruitment drive, but for all future police recruitments in Kenya. It will set a precedent that will define the balance of power between the Inspector General and the National Police Service Commission for years to come. So, to sum it all up, the police recruitment is on for Monday. The High Court has given it a temporary green light. However, the legal battle that caused the stop in the first place is far from over. The case will continue on November 17th. We will be following this story very closely and will bring you all the updates as they happen. What are your thoughts on this? Who do you think should be in charge of police recruitment? The IG or the NPSC? Let me know your opinions in the comments section below. This is a conversation that affects every single one of us. Thank you for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future updates on this and other important national stories. Stay informed and stay safe.